most famous physical therapist on the internet.
Hi, folks. I'm Bob Shaw, physical therapist.
Brad Heineck, physical therapist.
Together, we are the most famous physical therapist on the internet.
In our opinion, of course, Bob.
Today, we're going to go over the single best 60-second posture exercise you can do anywhere.
Anywhere,
That's
Bob.
what's cool about this. You don't need equipment. You just need your body.
Right.
So if you're new to our channel, please take a second to subscribe to us because we provide videos on stay healthy, fit, pain-free, and we upload every day. And yes, I'm going to handle the sign today. That way it's going to be done right.
Bob, why, Bob?
You're going to want to join us at our website, bobandbrad.com, because we're always giving something away. Right now, we're giving away the Grip Strengthener. This thing has got multiple tensions. Would you call it that?
Yeah.
Resistance.
Variable resistance.
Yeah.
As you can control very easily with the touch of the fingers and a twitch of the toe.
I'll tell you, if you want to have a stronger grip for any of those sports you play, if you're one of those pickleballers, this is going to help your game. But you also can find us on Facebook. It'll be on there. And if you want a shortened version of Bob and Brad, just join us on official, where are we? Instagram and also Twitter.
You're lost.
I know.
I should be holding it.
You should be holding it.
Yeah,
you threw me off.
Breaking the sequence here. That's all right, though. They understand.
Okay. Why is this the best exercise, Brad?
I'll tell you why, Bob.
I'm glad you will.
Number one, you can do it anywhere, just like the title says.
Okay.
But it's nice to have a wall or a pole or something to do it. You'll see that in a minute. Number two, it stretches the primary posture muscles that keep you upright, the hip flexors, which a lot of people forget about with their stretches. It's
also stretching the chest muscles.
Right. So
all these things that pull you over.
Right. Exactly. And we're going to do a little chin tuck in there. So get some of the smaller muscles in the neck to keep that head where it belongs. And number three is it strengthens the antagonist muscles, the opposite muscles, the muscles that are going to pull you in there and hold you there. So I'm going to tell you, if you do this stretch 10 times, 3 times a day for 10 days, you're going to notice and you're going to feel, and you're going to have people mention to you, boy, you're looking different. You're looking taller.
You look younger.
Younger, taller,
right.
Better, and you can be able to breathe better.
More confident.
So let's show them without further ado, Bob.
All right.
Bob's going to show you from the posterior side. I'm going to show you from this side. So grab a wall, and you're going to take your left hand and put it up on the wall pretty high. And there you go. The other hand is going to be up in the air, and then this arm's going to go back. You're going to do a little bit of a chin tuck, and the opposite leg is going to do this. So you're working. Oh, my goodness, you can really feel it work. Do 10. How you doing, Bob? Are you doing it?
Good. I just hope I'm on the right pace here.
Yeah, and you do them not too fast, and you'll get these muscles working. The stretch on the front we talked about.
I'm doing the chin tuck.
There, look at that. It's harder than it looks, isn't it, Bob?
It is harder than it looks.
Yep. Now do the other side. You have to do 10 with the right hand up and then 10 with the left hand, and it's the opposite leg. When you first do this, you might have to think about getting that opposite leg going with the opposite arm, and arch the back and chin tuck. Feel these muscles across work. Those are the muscles that keep you up, back, and tall. That little chin tuck. Okay, Bob, you can stop. Did you get 10?
Eventually, if you're really good, you do both arms and both legs at the same time.
Well, I like to, after you get done, do the old touchdown thing.
Sure.
You know, it's just.
Well, if you're a fan of the Packers, you're never going to be doing that
Give
this year.
me a break, Bob. I'm going to give you more than you deserve.
Right.
But don't you feel good, Bob?
Yeah, it does. It really does straighten you up and feel like you're fresh and ready to go.
Well, I'm telling you, it makes you feel strong like bull.
There we go. Someone's got a lot of bull. Okay, thanks everybody for watching.
You bet.